Hi Sisam! Welcome back to my channel. So today, punta tayo sa Clifford Sanctuary. So ito yung daan.
It's a brand new part of town.
It's nice.
Contain Avenue Southwest.
You see that? So, nandito na tayo sa Clifford Nature Sanctuary, guys.
Look what I got. It's a birdie house. You can't hear me.
Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig.
Oh, look at the pollen on them already. Wow, they're just coming now.
Wait.
Maghahanap kami ng spot kung saan namin ilalagay itong bird's house ni Samantha. Walay bitin diri, Dad.
Yeah, I thought maybe somewhere here would be better, but maybe not. Okay.
Yeah.
Here, I'll...
So naghahanap na sila ng malalagyan ng bird's house ni Samantha.
Okay, Samantha, we're gonna put it right here, okay? Extra lot.
Samantha's bird's house 2021.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, up in the tree. Yeah.
Okay, here, go stand underneath it. Get a picture of you with your birdhouse. Come on. Point up at it. Yeah, now look.
And look at Daddy.
Okay, no. Twist your body so you're facing me. No. So you're facing me. Like, pivot your body. No. Like, face me. Completely face me. No, face me. Face me. No, face me. Samantha. Yeah, just like that. There you go.
Smile.
Smile. Alright. Good job.
And the birds are gonna go in there.
Yeah.
Good job, anak.
Good job.
We're gonna come back here and then we're gonna check your...
Bye-bye, birdie house.
What's the story of this again? TP is the... What's that? TP is...
Like First Nations people, like hundreds of years ago, used to.
Look at this,
Something like that.
Daddy.
What's
So
that?
hundreds of years ago, the First Nations used to
Yeah, used to make teepees.
TPs, and they're gonna live here.
Live in there, yeah, because they can build them easy and take them down easy. They're nomadic. They just move where the food source is, right?
Oh.
You were here a while ago?
Yeah. Okay, I'm in camera, babe.
Are they gonna come back?
No, they're not coming back.
TP. What are you doing? What's that?
That's their food, Daddy?
No, it's not their food.
What are those? Oh, gustong gusto ko lang tong place na to kasi walang masyadong tao and makapag-banding talaga kami with Samantha, of course. Kaya palagi, I think in my vlog, we came here twice already na binavlog ko siya. So ayun guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Alam nyo ba guys na gusto ko talagang magpunta kami dito minsan kung gusto ko ng peace of mind and then spend time with nature. This is perfect place to be with your family and see some wildlife. Marami ditong mga ducks, birds, different kinds of birds actually, and meron ding mga rabbits and any type of animals. Ayan, so gusto ko lang dito mag-spend kami ng time, usually weekend pag walang trabaho si Mark. It is very important guys that sometimes you have to spend time, quality time with your family, doing stuff kahit hindi kayo gumagastos ng pera, pero pa walking and then experience the nature. Ayun lang, ganun yung mga time na nag-spend kami dito, especially weekend, kasi yun lang yung quality time talaga namin aside from nandito sa bahay na after work ng asawa ko. But usually pag weekend, it's the best time para makapag-banding talaga kayo. Hindi nyo naman kailangan magkaroon ng maraming pera para makapunta sa ibang lugar, yung mga kalapit na lugar lang dito actually, kasi this place is not too far from our place, and minsan nagdadala lang kami ng snacks or sandwiches para pumunta dito and then spend time the whole day. Yun kami, ganyan talaga kami, and minsan sa park. Kaya kung makikita ninyo yung mga vlogs namin, we do some picnic somewhere, sometimes kami lang ni Samantha. But weekend talaga, we do find time to spend together, especially it is nice weather outside, pa-summer na, and yeah, perfect time to create great memories with your family kasi you can't turn back time, and maisip mo na lang na oh, yung mga anak mo lumalaki na, and it is very special if you create great memories with your children, and then you look back na ganito pala kami noon, and then especially if you have like some YouTube channel, and then you can look back all the memories, the place where you went to, and the place that you wanna go, and then have some great memories by filming it and share to the people, and yun lang. And I am so grateful that I am able to share this to you guys and appreciate also how beautiful our surroundings. Ayan. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating vlog, guys. And I hope every time meron akong video na masishare sa inyo, magugustuhan ninyo. And I hope next time meron na naman kaming ma-share sa inyo ng mga great memories, or we're creating memories and we would love to share to you as our viewers. Thank you so much, guys. We do appreciate all your comments, likes, and kung hindi ka pa subscribers ng ating YouTube channel, please do subscribe para makita nyo yung mga upcoming videos natin. Thank you, guys. Bye!